Are you looking for the top 5 best drone for cinematic footage in this video? We want to the top 5 best drone for cinematic footage on the market today. We'll consider their product features and values with possible. If you want more information and an update on the products mentioned, check these links in the description. Number 5. DJI Mini 3 Pro Drone. Carefree creation. Weighing less than 249 g, Mini 3 Pro doesn't require registration in most countries and regions. The foldable and compact design also makes it easy to carry on any adventure. Seriously pro shots. Capture your world in remarkable detail with 4K/60 FPS video and 48MP photos. The advanced camera system supports dual native ISO and f/1.7 aperture for high-quality imagery, night and day. Perfect portraits in a tap. The redesigned DJI Mini 3 Pro offers true vertical shooting for portrait shots, ideal for social media. The gimbal rotates 90, so you don't have to compromise image quality. Sweet airtime. Enjoy an extended flight time of up to 34 minutes and capture and explore more of your surroundings. Fly with confidence. DJI Mini 3 Pro features tridirectional obstacle sensing and APAS 4.0, bringing unrivaled safety to the Mini series. Number 4. DJI Mavic Air 2 Drone. Up your game. The Mavic Air 2 camera drone takes power and portability to the next level. It combines a powerful camera with intelligent shooting modes for stunning results. Push your imagination to its limits because aerial photography has never been this easy. Next level content. Capture impressive 48MP photos with a half-inch CMOS sensor while the 3-axis gimbal provides 4K/60 FPS video. The secret to incredible HDR video is a high-performance quad Bayer image sensor. OcuSync 2.0 has a video transmission distance of up to 6.2 miles/10 kilometers and can also deliver 1080p FHD resolution livestream directly from the drone's camera. Improved flight. An impressive flight time of up to 34 minutes allows you to pull off epic, fast-paced shots. Obstacle sensing in 3 directions makes it extra convenient for beginners and improves safety for your Mavic Air 2. Intelligent tracking. Mavic Air 2 features intuitive shooting functions that make aerial photography easier than ever. Spotlight 2.0 keeps the camera locked on a subject while you fly freely. Number 3. DJI Air 2S Fly More Drone. 1-inch image sensor. Equipped with a 1-inch image sensor and large 2.4 micrometers pixels, DJI Air 2S is capable of 5.4K/30 FPS and 4K/60 FPS video. Master Shots. The next evolution of quick shots, Master Shots is an advanced intelligent feature that gives users the best shots in any location with just a tap. The center of attention. Focus Track features Spotlight 2.0, Active Track 4.0, and Point of Interest 3.0, making it a breeze for DJI Air 2s to follow or circle your subject. 1 billion colors. The 10-bit Blog-M color profile can record up to 1 billion colors while retaining all the little details that make footage pop. 7.5 miles max video transmission. DJI Air 2s features DJI's most advanced O3 image transmission technology, giving you an ultra-smooth, clear, and reliable image feed every time you fly. Number 2. DJI Phantom 4 Pro Plus Drone. The Phantom 4 Pro Plus version 2.0 camera drone comes equipped with a 3-axis motorized gimbal and a 1-inch 20MP CMOS sensor with a mechanical shutter that eliminates rolling shutter distortion. With the 5.5-inch 1080p LCD screen built into the optional remote controller, your images are easily visible even in direct sunlight. The Phantom 4 Pro version 2.0 is a beast when it comes to flight performance. It has a maximum flight speed of 72 km per hour and an 8 km transmission range with 1080p live streaming and automatic frequency switching thanks to OcuSync 2.0. The Phantom 4 Pro version 2.0 offers intelligent flight modes such as Tap Fly, Active Track, Draw Mode, Gesture Mode, and more. Draw lets you control the flight path with a fixed altitude simply by creating a route on the screen. Number 1. DJI Mavic 3 Drone. Imaging above everything. With a 4/3 CMOS Hasselblad camera, the sensor provides a 12.8 stop dynamic range that retains more details in highlights and shadows, upgrading your work to a professional level. 46 minutes of flight time. Stay in the air longer and capture more with a breathtaking max flight time of 46 minutes. This lets you get all the shots you want on just a single battery. Fly safer. DJI Mavic 3 drone with camera is equipped with advanced omnidirectional obstacle sensing. This lets you fly confidently and safely wherever you are. Explore and capture more. The DJI Mavic 3 drone offers a 15-kilometer max transmission range, which means you can fly farther to explore and capture more. Smart return to home. With a new advanced RTH system, Mavic 3 camera drone can return to its home point on a fast, safe, and optimized route. Whether activated by low battery or the pilot, getting the quadcopter drone back to you during flight is easier than ever. If you want to buy this product, please check the description link.